Sarasota, best places to visit in March. If you think this quaint city along Florida's west coast is like any other found in the state, think again. Featuring an impressive list of art-centric attractions and activities like the John and Mabel Ringling Museum of Art, the Art Center Sarasota and various craft shows and festivals, Sarasota regularly woos enthusiasts and collectors. But art here isn't limited to traditional works like paintings and sculptures. Performing arts like ballet, opera, and circus acts are also a mainstay of this waterfront city. In fact, the circus is deeply embedded in Sarasota. John and Charles Ringling, two of the Ringling Brothers Circus founders, moved to Sarasota shortly before it became a city in 1913. What's more, John Ringling's former home, Siesta, now serves as one of the city's top attractions. Sarasota's prime position by Sarasota Bay and the Gulf of Mexico also makes it a popular destination for nature lovers. When you're not admiring the view from one of the area's picturesque golf courses, catch a glimpse of local flora and fauna at the Selby Botanical Gardens, Lido Beach or Myakka River State Park. Additionally, Sarasota boasts one of the largest Amish and Mennonite enclaves in the state. What you need to know: its residents are diverse. Everyone from snowbirds and students at local colleges to the Amish and Mennonites call this city home. It's situated near several barrier islands. Although the city of Sarasota only has 2 barrier islands, Lido Key and Bird Key, 4 others, Longboat, Siesta, Casey, and Minnesota Keys, sit within Sarasota County limits. Each offers various beaches and activities. It has a growing beer scene. Craft breweries are popping up throughout Sarasota. Unique beer venues found here include a circus-themed brewery and Southwest Florida's oldest microbrewery. Getting around Sarasota. Sarasota's attractions are spread throughout the city, so the best way to get around is to hire a car or ride the SCAT, Sarasota County's bus service. Though SCAT buses offer many convenient routes including to and from Sarasota Bradenton International Airport, SRQ, most do not operate on Sundays, and service is typically limited at night. Rental cars, while more convenient, average around $20 per day. Taxi and ride-sharing services can also be arranged but cost significantly more than bus rides and car hires. Bike rentals are available as well, but are not ideal for traveling long distances. Best things to do in Sarasota. Though many of Sarasota's top attractions such as the John and Mabel Ringling Museum of Art and Siesta have ties to the Ringling Brothers Circus, the bulk of the city's best things to do are linked to nature. For a relaxing day outside, visitors can tee off at one of the area's golf courses, lounge on Lido Beach's sands, hike Myakka River State Park's trails, pay their respects at Sarasota National Cemetery or stroll through Selby Botanical Gardens. Or, head to Big Cat Habitat and Gulf Coast Sanctuary and Moat Marine Laboratory and Aquarium for an up-close encounter with wildlife. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more videos.